Geometry proofs. Unlocking strategies. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic in GMAT and GRE geometry: geometric proofs. More specifically, we're going to uncover some powerful strategies to tackle these proofs. So, if you've ever found yourself stuck on a geometric proof or just want to sharpen your skills, this video is for you. A geometric proof is a logical argument that shows why a particular geometric statement is true. It uses facts, definitions, and already accepted properties to demonstrate the truth of a statement. Imagine it like a puzzle, where each piece connects seamlessly to justify a final picture. Proofs aren't just about knowing facts, they're about how you use these facts. Effective strategies. Ensure you don't miss crucial steps. Make your arguments more concise and powerful. Save time, especially during timed tests like the GMAT or GRE. 1. Direct proof. This is the most straightforward type. Start with given information and use logical steps to reach the conclusion. 2. Proof by contradiction. Assume the opposite of what you want to prove. If this leads to a contradiction, then your original statement must be true. 3. Proof by construction. Sometimes, drawing a figure or adding lines, points to an existing one can simplify the problem. 4. Using known theorems. Familiarize yourself with key theorems, like Pythagoras' theorem. They can often provide shortcuts. Practice. The more proofs you do, the better you'll become at spotting patterns and knowing which strategy to apply. Stay organized. Always list out what you know and what you need to prove. This clarity will guide your thought process. Review mistakes. If you get a proof wrong or find it challenging, review it later. Understand where you went wrong, and you'll be less likely to repeat the mistake. And there we have it. A deep dive into geometric proof strategies. Remember, mastering proofs is a mix of knowledge, strategy, and practice. So, arm yourself with these strategies and practice, practice, practice. We hope this video aids your preparation for the GMAT and GRE math sections. Until next time, happy studying!